Bubbles and Friends!
Brayden learns how to be patient.
Thanks so much, Brayden, for helping me with my chores this morning. I've got to take out a special book from the library.
Of course, Bubbles. Anything for my best friend. And we're going to the zoo after we're done, right?
You bet.
I love the zoo. It's one of my favorite places to visit in the whole world.
Mine too. I can't wait.
Woohoo!
Yoo-hoo! I'm sorry, Brayden.
That's okay, Bubbles. Now, come on. Where's that book?
I don't think it's on the shelves.
Oh, what about that big cart over there?
That's the book. Brayden, you're a genius.
Tell me something I don't know.
Tag, you're it. Last person to the book card is a rotten egg.
No fair! Head start! Come back, Bubbles!
Are you okay, Brayden?
I'm fine, Bubbles. Looks like we had a little too much fun. But hey, I found your book.
Glad you're okay. And thank you. Oh no, what have we done? What a mess!
Well, you got your book at least. Now, let's go to the zoo.
Huh? Brayden, wait. We can't leave all of these here. The place is in shambles.
I guess so, but why not? Someone will clean it up. Come on, let's hurry.
We can't go until we clean up, Brayden. We need to be patient and finish our tasks when we have them. After that, we can go.
Ugh, are you sure?
Hi, Bubbles. Hi, Brayden. Phew, what a mess. What are you both up to?
Hi, Penny. We're going to the zoo.
Hi, Penny. Yes, but after we clean up this mess.
What if we make the cleanup fun? No need to rush, no need to start a fuss. Come on and sing it with me. Time and patience is key. Let's clean up this mess because we're the best. Let's stack up these books and put them into piles. If we work together, it will only take a little while. Time and patience is key.
Wow, this looks great. Maybe even better than before.
I'm sorry I wasn't more patient.
That's all right, Brayden. I'm glad I could make things a little more fun around here.
You always make everything more fun, Penny. Now, what do you say we all head to the zoo?
Yeah!
Come on, let's go!
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends. Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends. Bubbles and friends.